everyone, the tech hypnotist is here, and today we're going to do the part 2 of the EDV Eva Dry dehumidifier. So this is my review for like 2 weeks later. So this is the humidifier itself, and it's very easy to turn on. You just click this button and the light turns blue and the fan starts moving, taking in the water droplets or anything you want to dehumidify. And then empties in this thing where you can just take it off like this, and your water will be dropped in this hole, and it's pretty easy to take it out. Just take this drain thing out and just dump the water out. So it's pretty simple to do that, and it's pretty simple to keep it back in its place. Just do it like, just have to press it a bit. And yeah, it's pretty simple how to use it and stuff. And you just plug it in here. And my favorite part about this dehumidifier is that the light, that's just a minor thing, but when the light turns blue when you're on it, I like that, even though there's nothing much to this. And if you wanna take it to traveling, just take this thing out. And you can just put it back like that. And it's as simple as that. I hope you enjoy this review, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Tech Hypnotist is signing out.